Fine, let us start working on third problem here. Right, what is the arithmetic mean of 2 dash dash dash? They have given 9, 10 and 11, which means that is from 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you are supposed to find it. Right, to do that, what you need to do here is, so we know that the mean is nothing but sum of observation divided by number of observation. Right, number of observation. Right, if you go adding like this, that is 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus, it will take a lot of time. What you can do, there is a formula that is going to called that is going to be n into n plus 1 by 2. Let us check out here. So from it is supposed to be from 1. It is starting from 1. If you want to find the sum, say for example 1, 2, 3, 4, you want to find the sum, that is 4 plus 3, 7, 7 plus 2, 9, 9 plus 1 is 10. So instead of that, what you can do here is, right, so here, so 4 plus 3, 7, see what you can do, 4, the last number is n into n plus 1, that is going to be n plus 1, that is 4 plus 1, that divided by 2, that is going to be 4 into 5 by 2, so 2 2s are 5 2s are 10, you are going to get the answer. So this way you can do it, but here we need to leave 1. Let us check out here. From, let me find the sum from 1 to 11, that is n into n plus 1 by 2. So then, so what is n? N is 11, that into 11 plus 1 is 12, that divided by 2. Right, 2 to 6, 2 ones are 2 6. So 11 into 6, which is going to become 66. But this is going to start from 2, so 1 we need to exclude, so that's what I will subtract from 66. That is 66 minus 1, which is going to be 65. Right, so the sum of observation, so that's what the mean is equal to sum of observation will become, that is 65. So now number of observation, that is 11 total, from 1 to 11 is 11 numbers, so subtract 1, that is going to be 10. So 65 by 10, which is going to be 6.5. So the arithmetic mean of from 2 to 11 is going to be 6.5. So option A is the right one.